Question number 5C. If the energy of a ball falling from a height of 10 meter is reduced by 40%, how much high will it rebound? Rebound means the ball falls down and again it bounces back. So the ball is there and the ball has the initial energy. The potential energy of that ball is E1. It falls down up to the 10 meter. So this is the height of the ball, 10 meter. It hits the ground and after hitting again it will bounce back. So that is the rebound and that energy is E2. Rebound, at the time of rebound the energy will be E2. So first list the data what is given. So here height is given, initial height, that we will write as H1, that is 10 meter, and E1 is the energy of the ball before rebounding, and H2 we have to find out how much it will rebound, and it is given that E2 is E1 minus E1 into 40 upon 100, that is E1 minus 40% of E1, because it is given it is reduced by 40% of E1, and that's why then we get this E2 is E1 minus E1 into 40%. So E2 equal to, solving this we get E1 minus E1 into 2 upon 5. E2 equal to E1 minus 2 upon 5 is 0.4 E1. We solve it. E2 equal to E1, 1 minus, E1 is common from this and we get 1 minus 0.4. So we subtract 0.4 from 1, we get 0.6 E1. So this is the value of E2. For E2 we get 0.6 E1. We have the formula E equal to mgh, and so then we will write the equations for E1 and E2. We get E1 equal to mgh1 and E2 equal to mgh2. When we compare these equations, take the ratio of these equations, we get E1 upon E2. Comparing means what? We take the ratio of this and we get E1 upon E2 equal to mgh1 upon mgh2. In this m will get cancelled, g will get cancelled, and what we get? E1 upon E2 equal to h1 upon h2. We have to find out h2. So we just solve it further. E1 h2 equal to E2 h1 and h2 equal to E2 h1 upon E1. Now substituting the values in this equation, we get h2 equal to, E2 is, we have found out E2 0.6 E1. So put the value 0.6 E1 into H1 is 10 meter and E1. Then H2 equal to, this E1 gets cancelled and we get 0.6 into 10 meters. So H2 is equal to 6 meter, and the answer we can write as the ball will rebound up to the 6 meter height. That means after touching the ground, the ball will move up to 6 meter of height.